Hello friends, now we will discuss the another topics, that is increasing and decreasing functions, maxima and minima. Okay, now all these examples are based on exercise 2.4. Now first, some formulas and information. Increasing and decreasing function. A function f is monotonically increasing if f dash of x is strictly greater than 0. A function f is monotonically decreasing if f dash of x is strictly less than 0, means it is a negative, and here is a positive. A function f is increasing, only increasing here, if f dash of x is greater than or equals to 0. Next, a function f is decreasing if f dash of x is less than or equals to 0. Now, next, the test for maxima and minima, that is called the second derivative test. A function f of x has a maxima at x is equals to c if f dash of c is equals to 0 and f double dash of c is less than 0. And a function f of x has a minimum at x is equals to c if f dash of c is equals to 0 and f double dash of c is greater than 0. Now let us start the problems. First problem, that is examine the function for maxima and minima. What is the function? F of x is equals to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x. This example asked in October 13th. Now the solution. Again, this is the function. We'll find out the first derivative, that is f dash of x is equals to ddx of x cube minus 9x square plus 24x. The derivative of x cube is a 3x square. Derivative of x square is a 2x, that is a 9 into 2x. And the derivative of this x is 1, that is a 24 into 1. Therefore, f dash of x is equals to 3x square minus 18x plus 24. F double dash of x, now the second derivative, that is a ddx of 3x square minus 18x plus 24. And the derivative of x square is 2x, that is a 3 into 2x. Derivative of x is 1, 18 into 1, and the derivative of 24, that's a constant, it is a 0. Now next, f double dash, okay, that is a 3 into 2x is a 6x, 18 into 1, 18. Now here f dash of x is equals to 0. आपण प्रत्येकदा f dash of x is equals to 0 करत असतो. And here 3x square minus 18x plus 24 is equals to 0. याला 3 ने त्या whole equation ला 3 ने divide करणार, simplify करणार ते. That is, you will get x square minus 6x plus 8 is equals to 0. Now factorize this. That is a x minus 2 in first bracket. In second bracket x minus 4, and that's equals to 0. The roots of f dash of x is equals to 0 are x1 is equals to 2 here and x2 is equals to 4. Okay. Now f double dash of x is equals to 6x minus 18, f double dash of 2. Okay. That is x is replaced by 2. That is a 6 into 2 minus 18, and overall you will get minus 6, and which is less than 0. It's a negative. Therefore, by the second derivative test, f has maximum at x is equals to 2, and the maximum value of f at x is equals to 2. मग ती व्हॅल्यू काढणार, फंक्शन घेणार आपला नेहमीचा f of x is equals to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x, and substitute x is equals to 2, that is the 2 cube minus 9 into 2 square plus 24 into 2, and if you simplify, that is 8. Okay, 4 into 9, 36, and here 48. Okay, and here f of 2 overall you will get, that is equals to 20. And the maximum value of f at x is equals to 2 is 20. Now the second, f double dash of x is equals to again 6x minus 18. We'll calculate here at f double dash of 4, that is a 6 into 4 minus 18, and if we simplify, that is a 24 minus 18, that is equals to 6, and which is a positive. And therefore, by the second derivative test, f has minimum at x is equals to 4, and the minimum value of f at x is equals to 4. Okay, at x is equals to 4. What is the value? Again, आपण इथे function घेणार, f of x is equals to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x. Replace x by 4. That is a 4 raised to 3 minus 9 into 4 square plus 24 into 4. And if you simplify it, then you will get 64, and 4 square means what? Again 16 into 9, 144 plus 24 into 4, that is a 96. Okay, therefore f of 4 is equals to 16. If you simplify it, then you will get f of 4 is 16. And the minimum value of f at x is equals to 4, f of 4 is a 16. Okay, now the next problem number 2. An open box is to be made out of a piece of a square cardboard of sides 18 cm by cutting off equal squares from the corners and turning up the sides. Find the maximum volume of the box. This example asked in March 14. Now the solution, see this here, the card, that is this card sheet, and it is in the form of the squares. The sides of this square is 18, and from each corners, that is the x centimeter is cut here, x and x, okay, and turning off, and there is a open box. Now the next is, let x be the side of each square removed from the piece of cardboard. Therefore, the length of the side of the box will be 18 minus 2x centimeter, and the height of the box will be x centimeter. Now, volume of that box, that is the area of the base into height, that is 18 minus 2x bracket square into x. And if we expand this, then you will get a 324. 18 into 2 into 2, that is a 72x, and plus 2x square means 4x square into x. And again, if we simplify this, then you will get 4x cube minus 72x square and 324x. Now see this here, the x be the side of each square. This is the side of each square. Now we'll find out the derivative of this. F of x is equals to 4x cube minus 72x square plus 324x. Now the derivative of 4x cube is a 12x square, minus 72x square is a minus 144x, and the derivative of this x is 1, and therefore it is only the 324. Now the f double dash of x, again it's a derivative, that is the 24x minus 144. फॉर मॅक्झिमा ऑर द मिनिमा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्रत्येकदा आपण काय करत असतो की एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू 0, अँड देअरफॉर 12x स्क्वेअर मायनस 144x प्लस 324 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. पुन्हा हा लोएस्ट करणार, याला 12 ने डिवाइड करणार, अँड इफ यू डिवाइड इट हियर यू विल गेट x स्क्वेअर मायनस 12x प्लस 27 is equals to 0. And again the factors are okay, that is a minus 9, minus 3, minus 12, and if you multiply it, then you will get 27, and therefore x minus 9 is equals to 0 or x minus 3 is equals to 0. आता इथे बघा x is equals to, त्याने काय दिलं आपल्याला, 9 दिलेला आहे, 3 दिलेला आहे, but 9 is not possible. and why it is not possible? जर याची साइड जर 18 असेल आणि दोन्ही साइडला आपण x ने जर कट केलं तर कार्डशीटच शिल्लक राहणार नाही, and that's why we are not taking x is equals to 9, okay, and therefore x is equals to 3. Now the next is, for x is equals to 3, now f double dash of x is equals to 24x minus 144, and if we substitute x is equals to 3 टाकणार, 24 into 3 minus 144, that is a 72 minus 144, and again you will get minus 72, which is negative. Therefore the volume will be maximum when x is equals to 3, and the maximum volume किती असेल तो maximum volume, that is 18 minus 2x bracket square into x. आपण हा फॉर्म्युला आधीच लिहिलेला आहे, and substitute x is equals to 3, that is a 3 into 2, 6, 18 minus 6 bracket square into 3, and here you will get 12 square into 3, 144 into 3, and 144 into 3, that is a 432 cubic centimeter, and therefore the volume of the box is 432 cubic centimeter. Now the next problem, examine the maxima and the minima of the function f of x is equals to 2x cube minus 21x square plus 36x minus 20, and also find the maximum and the minimum values of f of x. Very simple problem. अतिशय सोपा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. मार्च 15 आणि 18 ला विचारला गेलेला आहे. Now the first f of x is equals to 2x cube minus 21x square 36x plus 36x minus 20. त्याचा first derivative काढणार. And here ddx of 2x cube minus 21x square plus 36x minus 20. And the next is याचा derivative किती 2 into derivative of x cube is a 3x square. Derivative of x square is again 2x, that is a 21 into 2x, and derivative of x is 1. Derivative of this constant 20 is 0, and overall here you will get that is a 6x square minus 42x and plus 36. F double dash of x, second derivative, that is the ddx of 6x square minus 42x plus 36. And here you will get that is a 6 as it is, derivative of x is 2x, 42 as it is, derivative of x is 1, 36 चा किती असणार तर 0 असणार आहे. Okay, इथे 12x आला minus 42, and here the first condition आपण प्रत्येकदा f dash of x is equals to 0 treat करत असतो. And therefore here we will write here 6x square minus 42x plus 36 is equals to 0. Okay. आणि याला पुन्हा 6 ने डिवाइड करणार आपण. 6 ने डिवाइड जर केला तर then here you will get x square minus 7x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now the factors. याचे factors किती येणार x minus 1 into x minus 6. That's equals to 0. F dash of x is equals to 0. आणि हे simplify केलं. X minus 1 is equals to 0 means you will get x1 is equals to 1. X minus 6 is equals to 0 means x2 is equals to 6. Now the second derivative test, f double dash, that is here you will get second derivative 12x minus 42, that's our derivative partner, 12x minus 42, and for the value x is equals to 1, here you will get 12 into 1 minus 42 minus 30, which is negative. Therefore, by the second derivative test, f has maximum at x is equals to 1, and the what is the maximum value of f at x is equals to 1? The f of x is a 2x cube minus 21x square plus 36x minus 20. Replace x by 1. 2 into 1 cube minus 21 into 1 square plus 31 into 36 into 1 minus 20. Here you will get 2 minus 21 plus 36 minus 20, and overall here you will get minus 3. F of 1 is a minus 3. This is the maximum value. Now we will find out the minimum value. Second, f double dash of x is equals to 12x minus 42, and at the point second is a 6. If we substitute, then here you will get that is a 12 into 6, that is a 72 minus 42. That's equals to 30, which is positive. And therefore, by the second derivative test, f has a minimum at x is equals to 6 and a minimum value of f at x is equals to 6. We have the function f of x is equals to 2x cube minus 21x square plus 36x minus 20, and the x is replaced by 6. Therefore, 2 into 6 cube minus 21 into 6 square plus 36 into 6 minus 20, and if we simplify it, then here you will get that is a 432 minus 756 plus he calculation तुम्ही करू शकता plus 216 minus 20, and therefore f of 6 is equals to minus 128, and hence the function has a maximum value at x is equals to maximum value minus 3 at x is equals to 1, and minimum value, which is the minus 128 at x is equals to 6. Okay. Now the next problem. A rectangle has area 50 centimeter square. Find its dimension when its perimeter is least. It is the perimeter considered as a function. Now the solution. Let x centimeter and the y centimeter be the length and breadth of rectangle. Therefore, area of rectangle is equals to breadth, length into breadth, that is x into y is equals to 50. Therefore, the y is equals to, that is a y is equals to 50 upon x. The perimeter of rectangle, that is a 2 in bracket x plus y. Substitute the value of y, that is a 2 in bracket x plus 50 upon x. आपल्याला इथे काय दिलं त्याने? Find the dimension when its a perimeter is a least. म्हणून आपण perimeter इथे function as a treat करणार. and therefore let f of x is equals to 2 in bracket x plus 50 upon x. That's a derivative. That is a 2. Derivative of x is 1. 50 upon x. Derivative of x is 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Second derivative of 1 is 0. Okay. And again here when we find out the second derivative, if I take minus sign is here, and the derivative of 50 upon x square is minus 100 upon x cube. Okay, and this minus minus, then it will become plus. Okay, and therefore the f double dash of x is equals to 200 upon x cube. Now f dash of x is equals to 0. That is the first derivative 0. That is the 2 in bracket 1 minus 50 upon x square is equals to 0. And if 1 minus 50 upon x square is equals to 0, that is the x square is equals to, हे सिम्प्लिफाय केलं आपण, हा minus 50 upon x square या बाजूला आणला आणि क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं. Then here you will get x square is equals to 50. दोन्ही साइडला स्क्वेअर रूट घेणार. That is x is equals to plus or minus root of 50. Root of 50 means what? 25 into 2. Root of 25 into 2. 25 चा स्क्वेअर रूट किती येणार? तर 5 येणार. Therefore x is equals to plus or minus 5 root 2. But x is not negative, and therefore x is equals to 5 root 2, and f double dash of x is equals to 200 upon x cube. त्याचा सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह होता. and if we substitute x ची व्हॅल्यू जर आपण तिथे टाकली, that is f double dash of 5 root 2 is equals to 200 upon 5 root 2 bracket cube, which is a positive, and therefore by the second derivative test f has minimum value at x is equals to 5 root 2. आता आपण x ची व्हॅल्यू मिळाली आपल्याला. we'll find out the value of the y, that y is equals to 50 upon x, and here 50 upon 5 root 2. Simple इथे 50 ला 5 ने डिवाइड करणार, and here you will get that is a 10 upon root 2. Again we will multiply numerator and the denominator by root 2. Root 2, that is a 10 root 2 upon root 2 into root 2, that is 2, and overall 10 root 2 upon 2, that is you will get y is equals to 5 root 2, and therefore x is equals to 5 root 2 centimeter and y is equals to 5 root 2 centimeter, and therefore the rectangle is a square of side 5 root 2 centimeter. Okay. Now the next problem number 5. A wire of the length L is cut into two parts. Okay, दोन parts मध्ये cut करणार. One part is bent into a circle and other into a square. Show that the sum of areas of circle and the square is the least if the radius of circle is half the side of the square. Example March 16 ला विचारलं गेलेलं example आहे. Let r be the radius of the circle and x be the length of the side of the square. Then the circumference of the circle plus perimeter of the square, and that's equals to L. Okay, it is not the one, it is L. Circumference of the circle plus perimeter of the square, that is equals to L. Now the next is, what is the circumference of the circle? That is a 2 pi r. Perimeter of the square, that is a 4x, and that is equals to L. यावरून आपण r ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करणार. that is a 2 pi r is equals to L minus 4x, and therefore r is equals to L minus 4x upon 2 pi. Now the a is equals to area of the circle plus area of square, that is area of circle is pi r square. Show that, त्याने आपल्याला काय सांगितलं, show that the sum of the areas, म्हणून इथे फंक्शन काय तयार होणार, तर एरियाचा फंक्शन इथे कन्सिडर करणार. a is equals to area of the circle plus area of the square, that is a pi r square plus x square. The value of the r, that is a L minus 4x upon 2 pi bracket square plus x square. आणि आता पुन्हा हे सिम्प्लिफाय करणार. हा इथे x square, हा पाय, ओके, पाय अपॉन हा ब्रॅकेट इथे L minus 4x upon 2 pi bracket square. या 2 pi चा जर स्क्वेअर केला, then here you will get 4 pi square, that is a pi upon 4 pi square, that is nothing but 1 upon 4 pi, and L minus 4x bracket square हा as it is. आणि याला आपण काय करतो, मग फंक्शन ट्रीट करत असतो इथे. ओके, now the next, f of x is equals to x square plus 1 upon 4 pi in bracket L minus 4x bracket square, f dash of x, त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह करणार, x square चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 2x 1 upon 4 pi, L minus 4x bracket square चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, इथे पॉवर आहे, that is a 2 in bracket L minus 4x into derivative of, again composite function आहे तो, L minus 4x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, L चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 0 minus 4x किती आला, the minus 4. And again, if we simplify this, that's a 2x minus, again here is a minus sign. Okay, this 4 will get cancelled. You will get 2 minus 2 upon pi in bracket L minus 4x and f double dash of x. याचा पुन्हा derivative काढणार, x चा derivative 1. Here you will get 2 minus 2 upon pi and the derivative of L is 0. Again here derivative of x is 1. 1 into minus 4 and overall here you will get minus 4. Okay, that is a here 2 and this minus and minus, that multiplication will become plus. 4 into 2 8 upon pi, and therefore the second derivative f double dash of x is equals to 2 plus 8 upon pi. It's clear that here is not variable, it's only the number, and therefore it's a positive. Therefore now f double dash of x is equals to 0. Upon the value find out करणार, that is a 2x minus 2 upon pi in bracket L minus 4x is equals to 0. That's equals to 0. That is when again आपण इथे हे simplify करणार, याला कशाने multiply करणार, that is we will multiply here pi and then simplify. pi ने जर multiply केलं तर here you will get 2 pi x. याला pi ने multiply केलं तर pi will get cancelled. minus 2l minus 2 into minus 4x and here you will get 8x and that's equals to 0. आता नेक्स्ट मध्ये हा मायनस 2l आपण पलीकडे नेला आणि 2 पाय एक्स प्लस 8x या दोघांना आपण 2 कॉमन काढला. सायमल्टेनियसली x देखील कॉमन काढलेला आहे, पण तो या साइडला लिहिला आहे. दॅट इज अ 2 इन ब्रॅकेट पाय प्लस 4 ब्रॅकेट कंप्लीट इनटू x इज इक्वल्स टू 2l and therefore again here 2 get cancelled and here x is equals to l upon pi plus 4. Okay, what about the second derivative? Second derivative आपण इथे काढलेलाच आहे, that is a 2 plus 8 upon pi. It's a clear that तो कसा आहे, तो positive आहे, and therefore for the by the second derivative test, f has minimum value when x is equals to l upon pi plus 4 for this value of x. Okay, now see this here. Okay, आपण इथे x आणि l च्या x आणि r च्या व्हॅल्यू दिलेल्या आहेत. Now what is r is equals to? r is equals to l minus 4x upon 2 pi and what is the value of x? इथे x ची व्हॅल्यू आपण इथे सबस्टिट्यूट केली. r is equals to l minus 4x. But what is x? x is l upon pi plus 4 upon 2 pi. पुन्हा हे सिम्प्लिफाय करणार, pi plus 4 into l. Then here you will get pi l plus 4l minus l plus 4l minus 4l get cancelled and here आता पुन्हा इथे काय राहणार, न्यूमरेटरला 4 pi l upon 2 pi in bracket pi plus 4. Again that pi will get cancelled and here you will get overall, that is a l upon 2 in bracket pi plus 4 and that is nothing but the here r is equals to x upon 2. How it is x upon 2? What is the value of x? x is l upon pi plus 4. म्हणजे l upon pi 4 l upon pi plus 4 ला आपण काय ट्रीट केला, तर x ट्रीट केला and therefore r is equals to x upon 2. And this shows that the sum of the areas of circle and the square is least when the radius of the circle is half the side of the square and hence it is proved. Problem number 6. A telephone company in a town has 5,000 subscribers on its list and collect a fixed rent charges of 3,000 per year from each subscriber. The company proposes to increase the annual rent and it is believed that for every increase of 1 rupee in the rent, one subscriber will be discontinued. Okay, find what increased annual rent will bring the maximum annual income to the company. Okay, तर कंपनीचे सबस्क्रायबर किती येतात 5,000, annual rent किती येतात 3,000 आणि company proposes to increase the annual rent and it is believed that if we increase 1 rupees in the rent, one subscriber will be discontinued. Okay, and find what increased annual rent will bring the maximum annual income to the company. This example asked in March 17. Okay, now see this here, the solution. Let the annual rental be increased by X rupees. Okay, X subscriber will be discontinued. पण जेवढे रेंट वाढवतो तेवढे सबस्क्रायबर काय होतात तर कमी होतात. Okay, and therefore now the new annual rent, that is a rupees, जुना किती होता तर 3000 plus X. Okay, the number of the subscriber म्हणजे 5000 minus X. Okay, the total annual income, that is a 3000 plus X into 5000 minus X. Okay, let f of x is equals to, हा फंक्शन आपला तयार होणार 3000 plus x into 5000 minus x. It's a multiplication, 3000 into 5000, that is, here you will get 150 lakhs plus 2000 x minus x square. Okay, and therefore the first derivative f dash of x is equals to ddx of 150 lakhs plus 2000 x minus x square. This derivative is 0, it's a constant. 2000 x, derivative of x is 1, 2000 into 1 minus derivative of x square, that is a derivative of x square is a 2x, and therefore f dash of x is equals to 2000 minus 2x. Okay, and f double dash of x is the derivative of 2000 is 0 and minus 2x is a minus 2. Okay, here the f double dash of x is equals to minus 2 and it is negative. Now f dash of x is equals to 0 gives, okay, the first derivative that's equals to, that the 2000 minus 2x is equals to 0 gives. I simplify केलं, minus 2x upon right hand side ला नेला, therefore x is equals to 2000 upon 2, x is equals to 1000. f double dash of x, f double dash किती येते at 1000. Okay, f double dash at the 1000. It's clearly that तो फक्त इथे नंबर आहे, इथे व्हेरिएबल नाही आहे, it's a negative. Okay, and therefore by the second derivative test, f is a maximum when x is equals to 1000, आणि इथे x ची व्हॅल्यू देखील आपल्याला एकच मिळत असते इथे. Hence the annual rental should be increased by rupees 1000 for the maximum annual income. Next, test whether the function f of x is equals to x minus 1 upon x, where x belongs to set of real number and x is not equals to 0, is increasing or decreasing. हा प्रश्न मार्च 17 ला विचारलाय. f of x is equals to x minus 1 upon x, that's a derivative, first derivative. ddx of x minus 1 upon x, the derivative of x is 1, and minus 1 upon x a derivative, minus 1 upon x square, minus minus will become plus. For any value, that is x belongs to set of real number and x is not equals to 0, f dash of x, that is it's a positive one. Okay, f dash of x is a positive for all x belongs to set of real number where x is not equals to 0. And therefore f is a increasing for all x belongs to set of real number where x is not equals to 0. Now the next is a rod of 108 meters long is bent to form a rectangle. Find its dimension if its area is a maximum. Okay, rectangle तयार करायचा आहे and a rod of the long, so length is given 108 meters. This example asked in March 19. How the solution? Let x be the length and the y be the breadth of the rectangle, and we know this is nothing but the perimeter. That is a 2 in bracket x plus y is equals to 108, and if we simplify this, then you will get 2x plus 2y is equals to 108, and if we divide the both sides by 2, then here you will get that is x plus y is equals to 54, and therefore y is equals to 54 minus x. आता इथे फंक्शन काय होणार, तर एरिया हा फंक्शन त्याचा तयार होणार आहे. ओके, दी एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टँगल, प्रत्येकदा आपल्याला तो फंक्शन काढता आला पाहिजे. Area of the rectangle x into y, that is the x into the value of y is a 54 minus x, and if we simplify this, that is f of x is equals to 54x minus x square. Then f dash of x, that is a 54, and the derivative of x square is a 2x. F double dash of x, that's our second derivative. 54 is a 0 ala, and x is 1, therefore it is f double dash of x is a minus 2. For the extreme values, f dash of x is equals to 0. पहिला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपण प्रत्येकदा काय करत असतो, तर 0 घेत असतो. That is a 54 minus 2x is equals to 54 minus 2x is equals to 0. This is the first derivative. And if we simplify, 54 is equals to 2x, and therefore x is equals to 54 upon 2. Here you will get x is equals to 27. And what about the f double dash of 27? F double dash of 27. आता इथे clearly x नाही चे direct number आहे आपल्याला तिथे, that is equals to minus 2, and which is negative, and therefore area is a maximum when x is equals to 27 and y is equals to also 27. Both values are equal because y is equals to 54 minus x. 54 minus 24, you will get 20. 54 minus 27, you will get again 27. Therefore, the area is a maximum when x is equals to 27 and y is equals to 27. And therefore, the dimensions of the rectangles are 27 meter by 27 meter. Okay. It is nothing but the square. And in this way, we have completed all the topics of the applications of derivative. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.